So here's what we're having for dinner tonight. I don't know if you can see, but I'm cooking in the crock pot here. This is a big piece of turkey, and I've got some carrots in there as well. And this looks so good. So we're having that. Also made some macaroni and cheese for the side. Also got some squash there cooking. So here it is out of the crock pot with the cooked carrots, and I'm only cooking for me and my hubby, so. And here's the squash. Let me know if you like squash or not. Here's my plate. I put a little bit of buffalo sauce on the mac and cheese. I thought I'd try it. And there's the turkey and the carrots. I'm not actually having the squash. My hubby wanted the squash, so I like squash, but it's not like my ultimate favorite. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Good. Some scrambled eggs with some black beans and cherry tomatoes from my garden. A little hot sauce. A little bacon Caesar dressing there. Pepper and salt. Good. Here's some nachos I made up with some leftover black beans and tortilla chips. And some more cherry tomatoes from our garden. And of course a little sour cream and a little bit of Caesar bacon dressing, just a titch, just a drizzle, and some hot sauce. And some of the Red Lobster spice or whatever. I know that might sound weird, but it's actually pretty good, that I got from the Dollar Tree. Nachos. Tim Hortons. It's the most wonderful time of the year. There's their new coffee cups. I really like that. Little snowman, and it's got the donut body. Really cute. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. My homemade spaghetti sauce. Yummy spaghetti. This would be good with garlic bread, or a garden salad, or Caesar salad, or even a veggie plate. Whatever you'd like. But tonight I just made the spaghetti and my sauce. It's not that special of a sauce, but it is my own from scratch. Good. Let me know what you're having for dinner tonight. I'd love to hear. So just put it down below.